Dear students, welcome in science class. Class 10, Unit 13, Materials used in daily life. Topics: cement, glass, ceramics, plastic, soap, detergent, compost fertilizer, chemical fertilizer, insecticide, chemical pollution, solid waste management. Cement. The mixture of calcium silicate and calcium aluminate is called cement. Raw material used for making cement are limestone, special clay soil, gypsum salt, slurry. The paste formed by the powder of limestone and special clay soil is called slurry. Cement clinker. The small pea-sized red balls of cement formed by roasting the slurry of limestone and clay at about 1600 degrees Celsius is called cement clinker. Mortar. The mixture of cement, sand and water is called mortar. Concrete. The mixture of cement, sand, water and gravel is called concrete. RCC. Reinforced concrete cement. Gypsum salt is added in cement because it increases the setting period of cement. Glass. The transparent object made with silicates is called glass. Raw material of glass is silica found on sand. Quartz glass. The glass formed by heating pure silica up to 1600 degrees Celsius is called quartz glass. It is also called silica glass. Water glass. Sodium silicate or potassium silicate is called water glass. Water glass is used to make silica garden and fireproof materials. Ordinary glass. The glass formed by heating 50% silica, 15% sodium carbonate, 10% calcium carbonate, and 25% pieces of glass is called ordinary glass. It is also called soft glass because it melts in less temperature. It is also called soda lime glass. It is used to make window glass, lens, prism, etc. Hard glass. The mixture of potassium silicate and calcium silicate is called hard glass. Hard glass is also called potash lime glass because it is formed by heating potassium carbonate and calcium carbonate with silica. It is used to make hard glass test tube, beaker, conical flask, etc. Borosilicate glass. The glass formed by heating silica, sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, and boric oxide is called borosilicate glass. It is also called Pyrex glass. It is used to make test tube, beaker, condenser, etc. Lead crystal glass. The mixture of potassium silicate and lead silicate is called lead crystal glass. It has high refractive index. It is used to make lens, prism, and electric bulb. Colorful glass. The glass obtained by mixing different metal oxide with the mixture of soft glass is called colorful glass. Blue, cobalt oxide. Black, nickel oxide. Green, chromium oxide. Red, copper oxide. Ceramics. Ceramics is the special clay consisting carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and silica. Characteristics of ceramics are: it is bad conductor of heat and electricity. It is hard and smooth. Uses: for making artificial teeth, for making decorating articles, salt is mixed with ceramics? Because it makes articles non-porous, smooth, and glaze the articles. Kaolin is the pure white ceramics. Plastic. The man-made polymer formed by polymerization of monomers like ethene, phenyl chloride, etc. is called plastic. Example: polythene, polyphenyl chloride, etc. Polymer. The extremely large molecule consisting the chain of monomers is called polymer. Example: polythene, polyphenyl chloride, etc. Monomer. The smallest molecule of polymer is called monomer. Example: ethene, phenyl chloride, etc. Polymerization. The process of forming polymer by heating large number of monomers is called polymerization. Example: polymerization of phenyl chloride forms polyphenyl chloride (PVC). Thermoplastic. The plastic which becomes soft on heating and hard on cooling is called thermoplastic. Examples: polythene, polyphenyl chloride, etc. Thermosetting plastic. The plastic which is hard and do not soften on heating is called thermosetting plastic. Example: bakelite, melamine, etc. Bakelite is used to cover the handle of pressure cooker because it is heat resistant and does not soften on heating. Glazing. The process of making ceramics smooth and non-porous is called glazing. Glazing is necessary for making articles smooth, non-porous, and attractive. Soap. Soap is sodium fatty salt used for cleansing purpose. It is biodegradable. Example: sodium stearate. It makes white precipitate scum with hard water. Detergent. Detergent is petroleum hydrocarbon used for cleansing purpose. It is non-biodegradable. Example: alkyl benzene sulfonate, sodium lauryl sulfate. It does not make white precipitate scum with hard water. Detergent is called soapless soap because they have cleansing action as soap but formed by chemicals that are different from soap. Soap is not suitable for washing with hard water because it produces white or brown scum with hard water. Raw materials for soap: fat or oil, sodium hydroxide, saponification. The process of making soap by heating oil or fat with sodium hydroxide is called saponification. Compost fertilizer: the fertilizer formed by decomposing dead bodies of plants or animals, and their waste product is called compost fertilizer. Example: manure formed in peat. Advantage of compost fertilizer: it does not pollute environment. It provides micro and mega nutrients. It improves the quality of land. Chemical fertilizer: the artificial fertilizer made by chemical compounds is called chemical fertilizer. Example: urea, NPK, superphosphate. It pollutes the environment. It only provides mega nutrients. NPK fertilizer: the fertilizer made by mixing balanced amount of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium required for the plant is called NPK fertilizer. Nitrogen fertilizer are urea, ammonium sulfate. The functions of nitrogen in plants are: it helps on the growth of plants. It helps on forming chlorophyll and proteins. Phosphorus fertilizers are ammonium phosphate, superphosphate. The function of phosphorus in plant are: it helps on the growth of roots in plants. It helps for ripening the fruits. Potassium fertilizers are potassium chloride, potassium sulfate. The functions of potassium in plants are: it protects the plant from disease. It helps on photosynthesis of plants. Insecticides. Insecticide means the man-made poisonous chemicals used for destroying harmful insects of crops. Example: DDT and BHC. Full forms: BHC, benzene hexachloride. DDT, dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. Use of insecticide is called necessary evil because it is required to destroy harmful insects of crop, although it is harmful for other helpful insects as well as human too. DDT is banned insecticide because it is very harmful insecticide and causes the cancer to the people working with it or consuming its products. Fiber. Fiber is thread-like strong material which is used to make cloths, nets or ropes. Examples of natural fiber are cotton and silk. Examples of synthetic fiber are nylon and terylene. Chemical pollution. The pollution caused by chemicals produced by hospitals, laboratories and industries is called chemical pollution. Its causes are using of excess pesticides and chemical fertilizer, disposal of waste materials without processing, disposing biodegradable and non-biodegradable in same place. centralization of people and accumulation of waste. Controlling measures are managing the biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste separately, not using excess pesticide and fertilizer, processing of waste material before its disposal, incineration or burning, decentralization of people. Solid waste. The waste material in the solid form is called solid waste. Biodegradable solid waste, non-biodegradable solid waste. Solid waste management. The management of solid waste by collection, transferring, recycling or reusing is called solid waste management. Management of solid waste. Reduction in generation of solid waste. Reuse of solid waste materials. Recycling of solid waste materials. Production of fertilizer from biodegradable waste. Burning of waste materials. Land filling. Glass is called supercooled liquid. The lower part of window pane is thicker than the upper part after many years. Because glass is supercooled liquid and molecules of glass slowly moves down. Artificial fiber is advantageous because artificial fiber are strong and cheap. Natural fiber is advantageous because natural fiber is soft and attractive. Farmers are advised to use compost fertilizer because compost fertilizer do not damage the quality of soil and provides mega and micronutrients needed for plant. Quartz glass is called silica glass because it is prepared by heating pure silica. Lead oxide is added to make lead crystal glass? Because it increases refractive index of glass.